Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a algebra math problem, and I'm helping my kid to prep for SAT math test. So this will be a question that equivalent to a medium level difficulty. So let's take a look at the question and let's solve it together. So the question states 1/4 v equals 3 plus 2. And given this equation, what is the value of 6v minus 15 plus 16 minus 17 plus 18? And you're given 4 answers. A is 14, B is 32, C is 122, and D is 144. So now let's go about solving it. So the information we have is 1/4 v equals 3 plus 2. So we need to understand what this 1/4 v means. 1/4 v means 1/4 times v. And obviously 3 plus 2 is 3 plus 2. So the first step we need to do is solve the information that's given to us. So we're going to write 1/4 v equals 3 plus 2, which means this translates to 1/4 v equals 5. And we need to remember that 1/4 times v means 1/4 times v over 1, because v is our variable. And if we want to change this one into a fraction looking thing, it's going to be v is going to be our numerator over 1 is our denominator. The 1 is given because we're going to view v as a whole number. Okay, we're going to copy the right side of the equation, equals 5. And then we're going to go to the conclusion that fraction multiplication, when we do fraction multiplication, it's numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So we have 1 times v on the numerator side over 4 times 1 on the denominator side equals 5. So what does this give me? We're going to further solve. So 1 times v equals v. Denominator 4 times 1. 4 times 1 equals 4. This gives us 5. So whatever calculation, there's no calculation involved, we'll just copy down. So we continue to copy, which next step will lead us to v equals 4 times 5, which gives us 20. So how do we come from v over 4 equals 5? Because v, this sign over in the fraction, this line, it means division. So we can translate this into v divided by 4 equals 5. Therefore, v equals 4 times 5, which gives you the result of 20. Okay, now we know what does v equal. V equals 20. So we're going to take a look at our question. 6v minus 15 plus 16 minus 17 plus 18 equals what? So we know the value of v now. So 6v means 6 times v. So we can copy that down. Say 6v minus 15 plus 16 minus 17 plus 18. Okay, equals what? That's our question. So we're going to translate this into, since we know what v equals 20, so we're going to put in our value. 6, instead of saying times v, we say 6 times 20. And then we can copy down what we're not doing right now. Oops, sorry. This should be minus 17 plus 18. Now we have no variable left. What we need to do is to solve for a numeric answer. So what does this give us? 6 times 20 equals 120. Okay, so next one, minus 15 plus 16, what does that give us? If we have a number, take away 15 and give back 16, that means we are on positive 1 now. So we took care of this part. Take away 15, give back 16. This part we took care of, so we put a check there. And next, what we have take away 17 and add on 18. So take away 17, add back 18. In net, what do we have? We have another extra 1 because we took away 17, put back 18. That means we have 1 positive left. So the original, change that, it become 120 plus 1, which gives us the answer 122. So we look at our selections of answers. We should select answer D. So V equals, or not V, this equation will lead us to the answer D, which equals 144. Hopefully this is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.